Hi scholars, I wanted to show you real quick how to add a slide to add in your novel study work. For this novel study, you are going to complete an assignment per chapter. The first assignment is creating a mind map. So once you've completed your mind map on the first chapter called The Boy Who Lived, you're going to go ahead and click on Slide, click New Slide, and in this new slide you can upload your mind map or your work for each chapter. You can change the background if you want to make the background a different color. You can change the layout if you want it to just be a blank layout. And here you can add your work. If you did it on a different doc, you can go insert, upload it from the computer in order to submit your work. So whenever you go complete an assignment, again, just go slide, new slide, and upload your work there. Hope that helps. Please reach out to me, Miss Fullerton, if you have any questions.